Grip, shoot, and charge with the PhotoGrip Qi by Adonit. Let's unbox this guy and take a look at it. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we are going to unbox the PhotoGrip Qi by a company called Adonit, or Adonit. I don't know how to pronounce it, however it's pronounced. It is a grip and Qi charger for your smartphone, which allows you to use it as like a camera grip. So it adds this button functionality to the phone, which gives you a better grip and a better sense of being able to take a picture without too much shake. At least that's what it does in theory. But it also sports a 3,000 milliamp hour battery and allows you to charge the phone while you have it in the grip. So that's kind of nice. It's a nice little feature, and we're gonna unbox this and take a look what's inside the box. It's got a bonus pack, so it comes with a travel pack and a mini tripod. So let's open this guy up and see what's inside. All right, so first thing we see here is a little bag. It's a nice kind of a spandex feeling type of bag with the company logo on the side here. Here's a little tripod, just like they promised. Interesting. And you have an instruction manual, which we'll go through later. And we'll put that to the side. That's the actual product. And it comes with a massive strap. That thing's huge. So that's for you to put around your neck, and if you want to carry the phone and charger around your neck, rather than carrying it in your hand. Comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and that is it. And this is the PhotoGrip Qi itself. So it's got teal handle, and it's made to look like a, one of those, it looks like a camera grip. This is exactly what it looks like, but there's a 3,000 milliamp battery in there, and this is your charging pad here. And looks like this just separates down to actually put your phone into it. All right, guys, we are back, and I got this guy set up already. It's really simple. All you have to do is pull the black tab that was up here. First, you gotta take this module off, and the battery's underneath, and you pull the black tab out of there. Then you hold down this button here for a few seconds, and it starts to blink, and you go into Bluetooth, and then you can pair this to the phone, which will then give you the ability to use this as a camera shutter. So I'm going to just take a picture here and see, and it actually does work. So we'll just do this here real quick, see if we can get this on camera. If you'll watch the focus, and if you'll watch the actual photo over here, you'll see it pop up. So boom, boom. That actually works there. It's actually pretty cool. The wireless charger pad is right here, and you can see here that it is charging right up here. It's hard, probably might be hard to tell on camera, but this thing is charging. There is your 1/4 inch thread for your tripod, and man, it feels like it's a nice build quality. This has a nice rubberized feel to it. I'm not wild about the color. It'd have been nice if it was just black, but it is what it is. They left you room for fingerprint sensor. So with the Pixel 3 XL, fingerprint sensors on the back here, so it is accessible. I'm not sure about other phones. It might be down here somewhere, or the fingerprint sensor might be lower. But for the Pixel 3 XL, it fits perfectly fine. It would do fine with the iPhone as well, obviously. Charging port is down here. And all you have to do is just jump into the camera, and again, just shoot. Point and shoot, and you're good. As long as you're connected to Bluetooth, it works. So actually, I'm feeling this does add a lot of stability to the phone. as far as holding it. You feel like you're actually holding something substantial here, and there's a lot less shake. Of course, with the cameras the way they are today, especially with the Pixel 3 XL and with the iPhone, with optical image stabilization built in, I mean, this thing is, so shake is reduced really well with OIS on board. And so this serves just as an extra bit of leverage, so you're able to really support it. And also it gives you that option of the tripod, so you can put the tripod on, and that's always nice to have as well. So then that even gives you more stability if you want to take certain shots, depending on what you're doing. The other thing I noticed is the clamp does not bother the volume rocker on the Pixel 3 XL. So if your volume rockers are over here or your power button's a little lower, this might be an issue. Might be an issue too if it's the same on this side. So, yeah, this is interesting. We're gonna have a full review on the website of the PhotoGrip Qi. Again, I cannot pronounce that name. Adonit, whatever it's pronounced. It's an interesting little gadget, and it runs about $59.99. The other thing you could do is you can actually remove this module and use this as a remote shutter, which is kind of cool. So you can actually set up your phone on the tripod again and frame a nice family portrait in there, and then just use that as a remote shutter. So let's take a look at that real quick. If we hold on to this here, we'll hold on here, and we will snap another shot here. Boom, good to go. That's actually pretty nifty, just as long as you don't lose this guy here. So this is your button for charging, activating the wireless charging pad on the back here. 3,000 milliamp hour battery built in, should give you plenty of extra juice. Initial impressions, it's pretty cool. For $59.99, I'm not sure about the price point, but it's a pretty cool product. I like the grip. I like, though it doesn't add too much extra weight. I'm not fond of the lanyard strap that they have included. I'm not sure if I'd want to wear this, but that's entirely up to you whether or not you're going to make use of that. Design-wise, very nice. Could use a different color. I think they do make a black one. They sent me the white one with the teal grip. So yeah, that is the PhotoGrip Qi from Adonit, and we will have the full review coming soon. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we will talk to you guys on the other side.